A comedian said, "A stranger is just a friend that you ain't met yet." And so if you
I
just
like
have a
that.
mind, if you just have a mindset,
open mind.
Yeah.
And like I'm 84. I've got friends that are from high school.
Oh
We're
my
still friends.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in this short video, I was hiking and I'm still hiking, and I saw these two older men, and they seem to be so engrossed in conversation, and their body language was I just knew they were friends. I know young people struggle with making friends, especially in campus, or when you're just a young adult and you're out there from your parents' house. It's a challenge to make friends. So I just wanted them to share. I knew they had wisdom, so I asked them to give you who is watching tips on how to make a friend and how to keep a friend. And this is what they said. I hope you enjoy.
This morning.
Okay.
He's by himself. He went in a restaurant, and a lady walked up and said, "You're by yourself," and sat down, and they got the conversation. So maybe go out of your way to make a friend. In other words,
initiate
a contact. In college, one of the things when I was in college, everybody went for coffee. That's how you sit down
and then start talking.
Yeah, start talking.
Yeah. Okay.
And then cherish your friends.
And what's one way you can do to cherish someone who has no clue? Just one tip, like how do you cherish somebody?
well, you just communicate with them.
Yeah.
I have some high school people I grew up with, so
Yeah.
this was just 60 years ago we were friends.
60 years.
When I was young, a comedian, and I grew up in Alabama, a comedian said, "A stranger is just a friend that you ain't met yet." And so if you
I
just
like
have
that.
if you just have a mindset,
Open mind.
Yeah.
And like I'm 84. I've got friends that are from high school.
Oh
We're
my
still friends.
goodness.
And I
Wow.
call them, I may not see them for years. I call them, "How are you? How are you doing?"
You look really good for 84.
he
Well,
does, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I
You know
hike
what?
with this guy here.
How old are you?
So
How old are you?
82.
82. You guys look so good. Do you hike all the time?
Pretty
Like-
regularly.
that's
Regularly?
25 years or
25 years of
so.
hiking.
Right around here.
Oh my God, you're an urban. There you go. And what college did you go to?
Mount Union College.
You-
Small school in Alliance, Ohio.
Oh, nice.
Very small.
So communication, initiate friendship, and
Yes,
cherish
yes.
people. Okay.
And what you decide in life, that life is all about people. It's not about stuff. It's not about money. What you decide that, then you're more inclined to do that.
I like that. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah.
1,000 people and you're lonely? I mean, I find that hard to believe.
Yeah.
Good morning.
My college days were just wonderful about meeting people. And I think I learned as much across the coffee table as I did in the classroom. Because you meet people from all different backgrounds.
You must have been a good listener.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not talking to you. You can tell.
Already.
But sometimes you initiate speech and then you sit back and listen.
Yeah. Oh, that's so sweet.
She's a young girl.
Yeah, I'm gonna share this for everybody. So yeah.
There's nothing that we said that I don't care who hears it.
yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you
I
guys.
wish her the best.
Yeah,
really.
thank you.
You must have a lot of friends. You don't seem to have trouble.
Yeah,
I have a few friends. I am the quality one. I'm an introvert, so I don't. Probably you're extroverted. I'm an introvert, but I keep few friends, not a lot.
Actually, I'm shy and I have to work it.
Oh,
Really.
you come out so naturally, and you seem to be a very good listener too.
Are you from here?
No, I am originally from Kenya.
Oh,
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
oh wow.
And my name is Tuya. What's your name?
My name is Don.
Don.
And Wayne.
Wayne. Are you guys retired?
Yes.
What did you do for a living?
I was an engineer.
Engineer? What type of engineer?
Well, I worked at the Honeywell flight system, so displays for aircraft.
Oh, nice. How about you?
I own this small businessman. I
Okay.
own 10 Goodyear stores.
What stores?
Goodyear tires.
Oh, really?
Service.
Oh, nice. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate you giving me this
pleasure
interview.
meeting you.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. So, guys, what do you think about that information? I'd like for you to put in the comment section below tips on how you have kept your friendship. I think young people struggle a lot. When I go to the internet, that's one of the things on YouTube, or when I talk to young people, you have a feeling that they are struggling making and keeping friends. So let's help out. What tips do you have that you have used? What do you think has kept your friendship? Please put in the comment section below. And I appreciate you very much. Until next time, I will talk to you soon. Kwaheri.